Passive income, passive income, passive income. What is passive income? Passive income is a concept of leverage. Leverage means simple: when you sleep, you make money. When you travel, you make money. When you take a rest, you make money. It means passive income is based on two basic concepts. One concept where your money will make money, and the second one, your team will make money. The first one is dividend stock. In short, they are shares in the companies that distribute a portion of their profit to its shareholders. Let's say you want to invest in a dividend stock. First, you want to find a company that gives a special gift to the people who own their stocks, and this gift is called dividend. It's like a share of the company's profit. So step one is to choose these companies carefully. And once you own their stocks, step two is when these companies share some of the profit with you regularly. Step 3 lets you decide what to do with this money. You can either use it to buy more these special stocks. Let me give you some suggestion of the apps. I'm using Grow and Charotha. Next one is my favorite, small case investing. Imagine you want to buy a lot of different things from the market, but you don't want to go to each shop separately. Instead, you can buy a pre-made basket that has all the things you need. Small case investing. It's like a basket of the stocks that reflect an idea which is curated by India's top investment manager. Small cases are based on relatable ideas and strategies that are easy to understand and use. You can invest in them using fund in your trading account, and all the invested small case share will be added to your Demat account. You can track your invested small case performance, dividend, and evaluate your portfolio under investments. Small cases are a great way to invest for your goal. No matter what they are, you can use small case to park your emergency cash as well. Next, let's talk about one of the most overlooked instruments, bonds. Not James Bond, bonds. Bonds are the type of investment that pays interest to the investor. They are considered less risky. They can provide reliable source of passive income. Let's break down investment in bond in simple steps. Think of bond like lending money to someone, but in this case, it's usually big company or the government. So step one is choosing the right bond. These are often seen as safer than stocks because you get back the money you lend plus little extra called interest. Step number two is when you buy these bonds, becoming a bit like a helpful money lender. The bond pays you interest regularly, like a little thank you for lending your money. Nearly 8 to 12% returns with low risk. This instrument is just too good. And let me give you some suggestion of the app, Wind Wealth and Golden Pie. Next one is high yielding saving account. A high yielding saving account can provide a safe and reliable source of passive income. These accounts offer high interest rates that traditional saving account allow you to earn more money on your saving. If you want to invest in these instruments, first find a bank that offers these special accounts. It's like finding a safe place for your money. Step 1 is opening an account, which is usually simple to do. Step 2, the bank gives you more money over time by paying high interest rate on your saving compared to regular account. You don't have to do much, the bank take care of it, and you get a bit more money as a reward. Last but not the least, the granddaddy of investment, real estate. I will divide real estate into two parts, rental properties and REITs. In this video, we will talk mainly about REIT. REIT means real estate investment trust. These are the new way to invest in real estate. They are companies that own, operate or finance income producing real estate. When you invest in REIT, you are actually buying a small part of the property in the past. This allows you to earn money from real estate without having you to buy entire building or managing it by yourself. REIT make money by renting out space in their properties to tenants. The shareholder receive a portion of rental income the property earn. By giving loan to property owners, REIT are like stock that you can buy and sell. In the end, I want to ensure you that passive income can provide financial freedom and allow you to live the life you always dreamt of. By investing in all the instruments I have mentioned in the video, you can create a reliable source of passive income that can help you to achieve your financial goal. Start investing today and take the first step towards your financial freedom. Like, share, and subscribe.